Stand by. All of our teams running through this gigantic road rig. This is heat number 4 of scaled teams for Celebrate 10. In lane number 2, So Average. In lane 3, Sit and Pete. In lane 4, She Devils. In lane 5, Saltbays. In lane 6, Physical 7. In lane 7, Peaches and Clean. Lane 8, Our Dogs Are Fitter. What a crazy pen club. Lane 8, lane 9, Peak Performance. Lane 10, Ratchet Strap On. Lane 11, Shady Shoulder Ladies. Lane 12, Shit Just Got Real. Lane 13, Snatched. Lane 14, Strange Dose. And Healy's Heroes in lane 16. The Ram Ranch in lane 17. 18, Riptide CrossFit. Volt Team MX. In lane 20, Viking Butt Pumpers, the Mayonnaise Daddies. With the best name this weekend. The Alpha Squad 2.0, Kings Point CrossFit, Voltage Mexico, Those Sexy Guys, Elevated AF, RVCF, CF502 NV, 2.5 Men, and Make a Statement. In our last lane, 29. In the bright tie-dye shirts. Most of our teams are moving here on the second round of overhead squats already for these scaled team of women. Just over 2 minutes on the clock, 16-minute time cap. If you're in the stands, people, let us break it down for you. These teams have to go through 5 rounds of 5 walk lines and 5 synchronized heavy overhead squats. Then moving on to 10 toaster rings for 5 rounds of, that's it, 10 toaster rings and 15 synchronized light overhead squats. So reps go up, reps go up and weight goes down. Our team here in lane 29, Make a Statement. Really working fast, setting the pace on the floor next to 2.5 Men. And CrossFit 502 NB. Three and a half minutes in, and Make a Statement is doing just that here in lane 29. So Average starting another round. Gotta be careful though about this timing. Your partner has to be hanging in the rings before you start climbing these walls. That's the tricky thing about this workout. A lot of communication and teamwork goes in here. You said it, John Doe. 5:02 in lane 27, and our 2.5 Men here in lane 28 getting through it. Let me ask you, what would you choose between hanging in the rings and some walk lines? Greg, I'm gonna let the crowd answer that for you. Hey people, would you choose walk lines? No. Hanging in the rings? Neither, it seems. We're approaching the 5-minute mark here. And Make a Statement going up and down the wall. On the women's side of the floor, South Base perfectly communicating on these overhead squats. Rushing some successful reps. And another round completed for South Base. How about our team out of Elevated CrossFit in lane 25, headed back to the rings as Physical 7 starts another round. These walk lines are no joke. We've got a few athletes on their toes to rings here. Lane 20s, the Viking butt pumpers. Woo! Not only do they have a great name, they have a great team in the crowd. With a name like that, your team's gotta be great. The Salt Bays are already back to the barbells for another round of overhead squats. Our Alpha Squad 2.0 headed back to their overhead squats as Elevated gets back on the rings for their toast bar. So average are everything but average, doing great work. Already on the light overhead squats, just following the steps. A peak performance leading the charge. And our dogs are fitter as well. Well, it seems not, because they are one of the 3 leading teams on the women's side. How about 2.5 men here in lane 28 working on their overhead squats. Looking great on this Flagler stage and make a statement has kept the pace all morning. I see judges' hands up here for several of our teams. We are halfway through at the 8-minute mark here. Another round of coaster rings completed for So Average. And same for our dogs are fitter. These two teams are chasing. There go 2.5 men in lane 28. And in 27, 5:02. Working on it here. Peak performance going back to the ring for another round of coaster rings as we just crossed the halfway mark of the 60-minute time cap. 8 minutes and now 45 seconds on the clock. We will see multiple teams cross the finish line, if not all. And Elevated makes their way back to the rings as our team make a statement on my side of the stage with the tie-dye shirts getting at it. She-Devil starting to work on the coaster rings. And save for Sid and Pete. How about 5:02 in lane 27? Just moving unbroken in these overhead squats. Same thing Alejandro in lane at number 9, heading here. One last rep for peak performance, rushing another round.
Elevated looking to wrap this one up soon. We are at the 10-minute mark. 6 minutes left.
Physical 7 and Peaches and Queen still working on those wall lines and heavy overhead squats. If you just joining us on the Flagler stage, welcome to the 2022 Wodapalooza Fitness Festival. Celebrating 10 years of fitness, community, and life.
Our team, those sexy guys, already done. And I see a few more teams about to wrap this one up early. 11 minutes in, we've got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes, and hands up for team make a statement in lane 29 with 2 more reps. 1 more rep for them. They bring it in under 11:30.
He said 5 minutes left and probably one last round for peak performance. In lane number 9, no signs of slowing down. They are chased still by So Average and our dogs are fitter.
Brett, we've got 4 minutes remaining. Looks like 2.5 men are done. 502 and B are done. So the elevated through.
Perfect synchronization for the last 2 reps for peak performance, wrapping things up and taking their heat in 1 minute 45 seconds.
Alpha Squad right here in lane 18. Alpha Squad 2.0. And Vault Team MX in 19.
Our guards are fitter, crossing the finish line, 2nd place, 3rd place in the heat. So Average took 2nd.
There goes Riptide with Saki and the gang wrapping this one up.
Santi and the gang.
We've got just under 3 minutes to go.
One more teams here. Still crushing those light overhead squats. Another hand in the air. In lane 5, Salves are done. Your early leaders in the workout. Wrapping things up. About 13 minutes, 30 seconds.
Brown, we've got a few teams still working around the red side. In lane 23, another team at a voltage. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes.
She Devils rushing these toaster rings. It looks like one last round of overhead squats for Sit and P. Just over 1.5 minutes before we hit this time cap. Straight stones are done as well.
Hands are up for the team at a voltage in lane 23. And we're rounding up to that 1 minute remaining mark. Just over 1 minute.
And now 1 minute.
5, 3,